Ranpak, world leader in paper packaging. Innovative, green, simple. Accufill, the solution for controlling material cost in high-volume, inline packing operations. Cost-efficient, time-saving, analytics, green. Accufill is a measurement system which can determine the exact amount of empty space in a shipping box by means of scanner technology. As boxes come down the conveyor, the Accufill laser and sensors scan each box to determine box dimensions, measure the volume of the objects in the box, and compute the volume of paper needed to fill the void. Accufill signals the fill pack converter to be ready to dispense the exact amount of paper needed to fill the void for a specific box. By tapping the foot pedal, the fill pack converter automatically dispenses the pre-calculated amount of paper. The operator guides the delivering paper into the box, while another box is waiting in the pack queue. This system maximizes throughput. After the box is sent away, the whole process is repeated. The advanced scanner technology makes it possible to measure the void in a box very accurately and leads to the most efficient paper usage. This results in accurate performance and material cost savings, which can be quite substantial in high-volume packing operations. Automatic void detection leads to improved labor efficiency. The operator's focus is put solely on the filling process. By means of tapping the foot pedal, the operator activates the fill pack converter. Alternatively, customized solutions such as knee switch or automatic dispensing of the paper can be offered. With a normal box mix, a throughput of up to 12 boxes per minute can be expected. This will give your operation maximum box throughput. The Accufill solution can optimize both efficiency and productivity in your packing process. The data from each box that runs through the system is collected. Detailed management reporting is available to analyze all data of the packing operation. Thorough analysis will contribute to keeping cost under control. Paper has a recycling rate of 73% versus 24% for plastics. It is easy to recycle paper and reuse it as raw material for the production of other paper-based products. The separation process of waste paper is also very well established in both industrial and domestic environments. A high-volume industry where you will typically find Accufill are logistics, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, e-commerce.